Chapter 6. Name of the chapter: Footprints. Let's start. Bholu the footprints. One day, some baby animals were playing on a muddy road in a jungle. Here you can see in the picture there are some baby animals like deer, lion, bear, giraffe, zebra, etc. Okay. So they all are playing on a muddy road in a jungle. All of a sudden, an elephant shouted, "Run, run, go to your homes. Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera." While all animals were playing, suddenly an elephant came, shouted, "Run, run, go to your homes. Bholu is coming to shoot with his camera." So all baby animals ran away. So in the picture you can see there were no animals because they all ran away. When Bholu came with his camera, all he saw was the footprints of these animals. Then a Bholu came with his camera. He noticed there were so many footprints of an animals you can see in the picture. Next. Can you match the animals with their footprints? Here some footprints are given. So we have to match with which animal's footprint it is. So here it is a footprint of tiger, zebra, and this is a footprint of an elephant, a footprint of frog. Draw the footprints of a dog in this box. So draw in this way. Trace and guess. Ruhi made two different trays of same bowl. How did Ruhi keep the bowl to get two different trays from it? A girl name is Ruhi. She has a bowl. She kept bowl in upside way, in open upside way, and a down portion she had done a trace line with a pencil. You can see. And after that words she kept a bowl in down way and she done a trace line. Look for other things like Ruhi bowls which can gives many different trace. So you can use any objects and you can draw a trace line by keeping up way and down way. Next, do at home. On a newspaper, trace the hands of a different people in your family. Ask your friends to guess which trace is of your hand, your mother's and your father's, etc. First of all, take a newspaper and draw a trace line of different peoples in your family, and and tell your friend to guess it. Okay, and do a read and draw. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on a chairs. Here in the picture you can see a girl name is Tamanna and she is her mother. They both were sitting on a chair. Tamanna is reading a storybook. Her mother is reading a newspaper. Tamanna and her mother are sitting on a opposite side of the table. Draw the missing things in the picture. Here in the picture you can see Tamanna is reading a storybook and her mother is reading a newspaper. Okay, they both were sitting opposite side of a table. Okay, so here some things are missing. Which things is missing here? Yes, table is missing, so we have to draw it. So in the picture you can see draw tables like this. More fun with tracing. Collect some things such as a potatoes, a bottle cap, a matchbox cover, a sharpener, an eraser, a spoon, a bus ticket, a coin, a straw. You can also bring some other things. Trace each of these. Ask your friends to guess. Here, blank space are given. Above, things like sharpener, potato, matchbox cover, bus tickets, coins, eraser. So collect all these things and trace each of these. Okay, and ask your friends to guess it. So you can see here I had drawn some things here. Like a matchbox, bottle cap, sharpener, erasers, bus tickets, corn, etc. Look at the shape of each trace you have made. See if it looks like any of the shapes given here. Write the name of the things below the shapes. Here some shapes are given. You can see circle, here rectangle, square, both shapes are given, triangle and oval shapes are given. So here we have to write a related shapes, some things name. Okay, so you can see circle. First shape is circle. The things like bottle cap, bangles, coin, plate, ball, chapati, they all look like a circle shape. Okay, next. Here we have to draw the shapes like triangle, rectangle both. Okay, matchbox, geometric box, bus tickets, erasers, notebook. Next the shape is triangle, cone, pen cap. Next oval shape, egg, potato, spoons. Here you can next Tarani shapes. Tarani made a picture of using different shape. So she used a different shape and she made us some pictures. Let us look at the Tarani's pictures and tell. First, how many triangle shapes? So it is in purple color. Let us count purple color triangles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So here write here 30. Next, how many square shapes? Its color is red. So count the red shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 square shapes. So write here 9. Next, how many rectangle? Its color is green. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7 rectangle. Next, how many circle? How many circle? Its color is yellow. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So write here 24. Next, now you make your own picture using different shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, circle. So in the blank space, here we have to draw any picture by using a shapes. Next. So here I had made a picture by using a different shapes. Make a drawing using only rectangle. Here we have to make a drawing by using only the shape rectangle. So with help of a rectangle, I had made some drawing. Next, dressing up Bisani. Bisani wants to dress up for a dance. Use different shapes in the box and draw jewelry on her. In the picture you can see in a box there are jewelries with different shapes. A girl name is Bisani. she wants to dress up for a dance. So here we have to draw jewelry on her with help of this box. So here with help of the box, here we have drawn a jewelry on her. Shapes and face. Here some face are given. First one, draw a glasses of shape on first face. So here on first face, draw a glasses. So draw like this way. Next, draw a mustache of shapes on second face. In second face, draw a mustache. You can see. Next, draw a mouth on third face. So you can see in the picture, draw a mouth. Next, draw a face in last picture. Here, draw a square shape face on last picture. Next,